Oh, so weird. The slugs are yellow, but their slime is clear.
Well, it's weird. You can stretch it like taffy, but it's also kind of watery at the same time. I think I love it. Hey guys, whoa, check this out.
Yeah, I hate to interrupt slime time, but we really should be going. We don't have long before... Ronald. My arm!
I look at least 5 lives younger. Make way. Handsome cat coming through.
What do I do? What do I do?
Oh, Ronald. Can you get more handsome? Nature cat.
I'll never let Ronald get you again. Never, ever, ever. But how can I make sure? He's so sneaky. What's this?
It's a hagfish.
Uh-huh, yeah. Anyway, I'll leave y'all to your slime time. Whoa!
Crazy, right? When a hagfish is attacked, it releases a super strong slime from its body that smothers the gills and mouth of any predators. Now, how cool is that? Wait a second. Let me get this straight. Slugs, hagfish, aloe plants. Who knew so many plants and animals use slime for protection?
I gotta admit, I'm not sure I get this whole slime time obsession. That's it! Slime! That's how I'll keep Ronald away from my yard for good!
Oh, that's brilliant, Nature Cat! Slime time, slime time, slime time!